What's up guys, Dave the Phone Guy back again with another video, and today I have the Sony WH-1000XM4. So you know what we got to do today, right? We're gonna get this box popped open, we're gonna explore all the contents inside. I'm gonna let you know how they sound, you're gonna let me know how the mic sounds. So yeah, let's do what we do. Let's get this party started. Alright guys, let's get this box popped. So the cool thing about these is it's gonna give you 30 hours of music playback time, noise cancellation on or 38 with it off. A 10-minute charge will give you 5 hours of playback. They say you get HD calling, voice assistant functions, USB-C, all things. You get a headphone cable, plug adapter, and a carrying case. All in the box. So let's get it popped. How does this thing open? Where's it at? Here we go. Alright, alright, alright. So this is nice. Check this out. Nice case. Little storage compartment here to put the extras that you got. Ooh, that's satisfying. Bang! There they are. Let's see what else we have in here. Just your get started guides, manuals, quick starts, yada, yada, yada. There's also a QR code here to download the app and get everything paired up. So let's go ahead and start with that and get it scanned really fast. That way we can get the download going. All right, that's installing, so we'll be ready to rock. Let's check this out. Ooh, these are soft pads, nice. So you got the R right there, you got the L right there. The L doesn't look like it's picking up very good in the cam. You got your USB-C connector right there, your power button here, and a custom button here that can be programmed. All right, let's see how they feel right off the bat. They feel good. Super soft. On the right side, you're gonna have some gesture controls, increase, decrease the volume, skip tracks, go back a track. Let's go ahead and get these paired up first. There we go, we are connected. I don't wanna do the learning. Welcome to 360 Reality Audio. I don't use 360 by Deezer, Nugs.net, or Tidal, so not happening. Let's adjust these. Now this is padded up here as well. You got padding everywhere, which is really cool. I like it. Let's get a nice snug, comfortable fit. All right guys, so I took a minute to get all the software updated on the actual headphones. I got everything updated and we're ready to go. Let's listen to these and see how they sound. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the YouTube Music app. Here we go, here we go. I'm excited. Ooh, the highs. Highs are super crisp. Wow. These things are rocking. My mind's being blown right now. I was probably yelling because the noise cancellation on these things and the ambient noise around, I can't hear anything, guys. It is totally blocked out. I gotta say, the highs on these are superb. The mids are truly amazing. And that bass hits so hard. It's making my brain rattle, and that's what I look for. I need my brain to move a little bit. I wanna try something. I'm not sure if this is actually gonna work or not, but I want you guys to be able to see or hear, I should say, how much ambient noise around me is being blocked. So what I'm gonna do is I got another mic and we're gonna switch to this mic, and I'm gonna try to get attempt to get the headphones to cover this, right? And you will be able to potentially hear the noise that is being blocked. So let's see if we can get this, you know what I mean? It's the first run, first go. Hopefully it works. If not, sorry. But I think you guys will be able to tell. So right now, the audio is switching over to this mic here. So that's what you're hearing me on right now, guys. We can cover it. All right, guys, so right away you should be able to tell that there is a huge difference in the sound that you can hear around. So what I'd like to do is start some ambient noise in the background here, crank it up all the way to 10. So now I'm going to turn the ambient sounds all the way up. So now you should be able to hear everything. Now let's crank it all the way down so it should be blocking all the noise around us. Can you guys tell the difference? I'm going to take the headphones off so you can hear the ambient noise in the background. So you guys should be able to tell. I'm not sure if that test is really going to work out great or not. Let's stop this. But I wanted to try and see if I could show you guys the type of noise cancellation abilities that these headphones have. Let's go ahead and do the last and final test, and that is going to be the mic test.
Alright guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Sony WH-1000XM4s. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the Sony 1000 WXMYZ4s, whatever the name is. It's a terrible name, we all know that. With ambient noise running in the background. How does my voice sound, guys? Let me know in the comments below what you think.
Guys, that's what I got for you today. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye!